Menopause. It's a word whispered in hushed tones, often accompanied by a knowing glance between women. This phase of life, though natural and inevitable, is shrouded in mystery and often misunderstood. Many women feel isolated, as if they are the only ones experiencing these changes, when in reality, it is a universal journey. This natural transition, marking the end of a woman's reproductive years, is often painted as a time of decline, a descent into discomfort and frustration. Society tends to focus on the negative aspects, overshadowing the potential for growth and renewal that this period can also bring. The physical symptoms are just one part of the story. Indeed, for many women, menopause brings with it a host of unwelcome symptoms that can disrupt sleep, dampen mood, and drain energy. Insomnia becomes a nightly battle, leaving women exhausted and irritable during the day. The lack of restful sleep can have a cascading effect on overall health, impacting cognitive function and emotional well-being. Hot flashes, those sudden, intense surges of heat, become a dreaded companion, often followed by drenching night sweats that leave sheets soaked and sleep elusive. These episodes can be embarrassing and uncomfortable, making it difficult to focus on daily tasks or enjoy social interactions. The unpredictability of hot flashes adds to the stress, as women never know when the next wave will hit. Mood swings can strain relationships, leaving women feeling like strangers in their own bodies. The emotional roller coaster can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts with loved ones, further isolating women during this challenging time. It's not just about feeling sad or irritable. It's about navigating a complex web of emotions that can change from one moment to the next. And for some, the decline in libido adds another layer of frustration and sadness to an already challenging time. Intimacy issues can create a sense of loss and disconnection, affecting self-esteem and relationships. Women may feel less desirable or worry about the impact on their partnerships, adding to the emotional burden of menopause. However, menopause doesn't have to be a sentence to years of discomfort and resignation. With the right approach, it can be a time of empowerment and self-discovery. Many women find new passions, hobbies, and ways to take care of their health. Embracing this phase with a positive mindset can transform the experience from one of suffering to one of growth. While conventional medicine often offers hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, as the primary solution, many women are seeking natural alternatives to manage their symptoms and reclaim their vitality. From herbal supplements to lifestyle changes, there are numerous ways to alleviate symptoms without relying solely on pharmaceuticals. Education and support are key in finding the right balance. This is where the power of the carnivore diet, and specifically the surprising benefits of butter, comes into play. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods like butter can provide essential vitamins and minerals that support hormonal balance and overall health. By exploring dietary changes, women can find new ways to nourish their bodies and improve their quality of life during menopause. The carnivore diet, as the name suggests, focuses on consuming only animal-based products. This means that your meals will be centered around meat, fish, eggs, and high-fat dairy. It's a diet that eliminates all plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. For many, this might sound restrictive, but proponents argue that it simplifies eating and provides all the necessary nutrients for optimal health. This means bidding farewell to fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes, which are staples in many traditional diets. Instead, the focus shifts entirely to animal products, which are believed to be more nutrient-dense and bioavailable, and embracing a world of meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and high-fat dairy products like butter. These foods are rich in essential nutrients such as protein, vitamins, and minerals, which are crucial for maintaining good health. The diet also emphasizes the importance of consuming animal fats, which are believed to support brain function and hormone production. While this may seem extreme to some, proponents of the carnivore diet, myself included, have witnessed firsthand its transformative effects on hormonal health, particularly for women navigating the often turbulent waters of menopause. Many women report significant improvements in their symptoms, including reduced hot flashes, better mood stability, and increased energy levels. The key to the carnivore diet's success lies in its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and optimize hormone production. By focusing on nutrient-dense animal foods, the diet helps to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day, which can be particularly beneficial for those with insulin resistance or diabetes. By eliminating carbohydrates, which can wreak havoc on blood sugar and contribute to inflammation, the carnivore diet creates an internal environment that allows hormones to function optimally. This reduction in inflammation can also lead to improvements in joint pain, skin conditions, and overall well-being. This is especially crucial during menopause, as fluctuating estrogen levels are often the culprit behind those dreaded hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. By providing a stable source of nutrients and reducing the body's inflammatory response, the carnivore diet can help to mitigate these symptoms, offering a beacon of hope for many women seeking relief. Now let's talk about butter. Yes, that creamy, golden delight that has been demonized for decades. It's time to reclaim butter's rightful place as a nutritional powerhouse, particularly for women seeking to ease menopause symptoms and reignite their spark. Butter is rich in saturated fat, a type of fat that has been unfairly vilified. Saturated fat is essential for hormone production, including the production of estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. During menopause, as estrogen levels naturally decline, consuming adequate saturated fat becomes even more critical. Butter is also a good source of vitamins A, D, E, and K2, all of which play important roles in overall health and hormone balance. The science behind butter's benefits for menopause is rooted in its unique composition. As mentioned earlier, butter is abundant in saturated fat, which serves as the building block for hormones. Without sufficient saturated fat, our bodies simply cannot produce the hormones needed to maintain balance. Furthermore, butter contains a specific type of fatty acid called butyric acid, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a key driver of many chronic diseases, and it can exacerbate menopause symptoms. By reducing inflammation, butyric acid can help to alleviate hot flashes, night sweats, and joint pain. Additionally, butter is a good source of cholesterol, which is also essential for hormone production. Despite its negative reputation, cholesterol is a vital component of cell membranes and is necessary for the synthesis of hormones like estrogen and testosterone. Section 5. A dollop a day. Easy ways to incorporate butter into your routine. Butter is a versatile ingredient that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine, adding both flavor and nutritional benefits. Incorporating butter into your daily diet doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. In fact, it can be quite simple and enjoyable. There are many delicious and satisfying ways to enjoy this nutritional powerhouse. Butter is rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are essential for maintaining good health. One simple strategy is to add a tablespoon or two of butter to your morning coffee or tea. This practice, often referred to as bulletproof coffee, creates a rich, creamy beverage that provides sustained energy and helps to curb cravings throughout the day. The healthy fats in butter slow down the absorption of caffeine, giving you a more steady and prolonged energy boost. Plus, it adds a delightful creaminess to your drink. You can also use butter generously when cooking meats, fish, and vegetables. The fat in butter helps to retain moisture and flavor, resulting in more satisfying and nutrient-dense meals. When you cook with butter, it not only enhances the taste, but also helps in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from the food. This makes your meals not just tastier, but also healthier. And don't forget about butter as a topping for cooked eggs. A dollop of butter adds a burst of flavor and satisfaction to any meal. Whether you're spreading it on steaks, seafoods, or using it to cook your favorite dishes, butter can elevate your meals in countless ways. So go ahead, embrace the goodness of butter and enjoy its rich, creamy taste every day. Alright, so let's dive into some additional natural allies that can support you during menopause. Herbs like black cohosh, evening primrose oil, and red clover have been traditionally used to alleviate symptoms. It's fascinating how nature provides such a variety of options. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Now, there are some important considerations and precautions to keep in mind. While natural remedies can be beneficial, they aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. Each woman's experience with menopause is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's crucial to monitor your body's responses and, if necessary, seek professional advice to ensure you're on the right track. So, combining diet, lifestyle changes, and open communication with your healthcare provider can make a significant difference. A balanced diet rich in nutrients, regular physical activity, and staying hydrated are key components. Additionally, discussing your symptoms and concerns openly with your doctor can help tailor a plan that suits your individual needs. Finally, it's all about reclaiming your power during menopause. This phase of life, while challenging, is also an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Embrace the changes, seek support when needed, and remember that you have the strength to navigate this journey with grace and resilience. If you found this information helpful, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on health and wellness with carnivore diet.